Welcome to the Inspire range. The Inspire demonstration transformer provides illustration and investigation of the transformer principle, electromagnetic induction and eddy currents. The demonstration transformer set comprises the base with U-core, I-core and clamp, and a set of coils from 3 to 1800 turns. Available separately, the main substitute coils at 100 turns and 300 turns are required for the induction and motor experiments. The Power Pro transformer power supply is also required and available separately. The transformer power supply has special connectors on the 25 volt AC output, making it impossible to connect that voltage to standard coils. The other AC outputs are limited to 2 volts and 4 volts AC, so that no combination of coils can produce a dangerous voltage. The induction accessory set includes the 6-turn nail melting coil, 2 solid and 1 split aluminium ring, the solder trough and some nails. The motor accessory set includes pole pieces, aluminium quadrants and disc, plus supports and pivots. Both accessory kits are available separately. Coils are fitted to the core and clamped. An AC supply is connected. The ratio of turns in this case is 300 to 600. We can monitor the input and output voltage using 2 AC voltmeters. The primary input is 4 volts. The secondary output is close to 8 volts, in proportion to the turns ratio. For the induction experiments, it is traditional to use a mains powered coil. This is available if required. The substitute mains coil has wings, which provide a high level of safety, preventing the fitting of an inappropriate coil, which might generate dangerous voltages. The 100-turn substitute coil is used for Thomson's jumping ring. The coil is fitted to the U-core and the I-core stands on top. An aluminium ring is placed over the core on top of the coil. The coil is connected to 25 volts and we switch on. Repeating with the split ring illustrates the need for a complete ring. In a complete ring, current can flow. The same 100-turn coil is used with a 6-turn nail melting coil. The core must be complete and clamped. A nail is fitted through the holes in the arms of the coil and clamped in position. 25 volts AC is applied to the 100-turn coil. We switch on. In this experiment, 2 coils are connected in series and supplied with 8 volts DC. This provides a steady rather than an alternating magnetic field. The core is adapted using pole pieces, a support rod and pivot. The aluminium quadrant plate is fitted to the pivot When the supply is switched on, displacing and releasing the quadrant illustrates the phenomenon of eddy current breaking. Replace the plain quadrant with the slotted quadrant. Why does this quadrant behave differently? If the traditional mains coil is used, it also has wings to prevent dangerous combinations of coils being fitted to the core. The demonstration transformer is one member of the Inspire family of products.